sideways the whole time.
You want me to hold you or anything? Sure. Yeah, I'll hold your hand just to see how deep it is.
There was a bass that went under the log, and he's a big one.
Good?
Chris is gonna go in and grab him.
You want to hold this too? Yeah. You got your fish stick.
He is hooked onto.
Alright. You got it? You're good? Alright. I need to make sure there's a stick ready just in case you fall somewhere.
Chris, you want your rod?
Yeah, keep ready in case Chris falls. It's deep. There's people coming. Oh, he's pulling. He's pulling?
I don't know if I'm stuck or what's going on.
Wait to see if it pulls or something.
You think he's resting right now or he's still pulling?
I think I'm stuck.
Oh!
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Let's pull him in.
Oh my god.
Oh,
You want to bring him up here?
that's a freaking big one right there.
You want to grab it?
Get me out of here.
Alright, here.
Get the fish.
Pull him up. Here, what do you want me to hold?
Both.
Here, Ian, you want to hold the rod and I'll pull him up.
Hold up, let me get the rod out here.
Holy shit. That is a fat bass.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
God damn,
Holy
Chris.
fuck, that's a big fish. You want to use
that
mine?
bitch.
He's so good. I should hold him like this, right? That's all.
Good stuff, dude.
You want to get in the clear and get a good
Yeah, I wanna
picture,
get-
man?